Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build the super cute toy display in Heartopia. It is a little bit tedious, I must warn you now, and it does require glitches. So we are going to place a half wall first here. This is going to be the color of like the inside part of your display. So do like color it as you wish. I'm just going to color it like just white. And then for the flooring, I'm going to change that. Why is it so far away? Okay, let me just place this here first so I can also change the color of the ceiling, which we need to do that. This will turn out a little bit weird, by the way. Like, I must warn you, like, you'll have like a higher level of housing if you want to add this on, and you'll see why in a minute. So I'm just going to place it down here for now, and I'm just going to add another one. Let's add like 4 here because we need these. I'm just going to take this one and I'm just going to place it here, and then I'm going to place this one here. Then we're going to need the like popcorns. Hopefully you guys have it in different colors. I'm going to use one in pink, purple, and the white one, but you can choose the like brown one as well. And then we're just going to kind of rotate them for now. There we go. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to place the lowest one is like the color at the very bottom. So we're just going to place, well, I'm going to place the purple one first. You can change the color if you want to. Then we're going to glitch that. So we're going to place that like on the sky. Okay. Usually it works when I'm not filming, but if I'm filming, it does take like 2 times for some reasons. Then we're going to get this flooring and we're going to expand it to the right. Then we're going to get our second color. So I'm just going to choose this one. And then press the checkmark button first. And then again, we're going to glitch that. Oh my gosh, see? Every time I'm filming, it like senses that I'm nervous when I like try to glitch something. There we go. And then for the last one, I'm just going to choose pink because it is my favorite color. So we're going to place that on the very top, and we're just going to press the check mark button first, and then we are going to glitch that. Oh my gosh, why? Why do I have to do this twice? There we go. And then you're just going to press complete. And you are going to go back to the like blueprint or the build mode. I'm on blueprint mode right now. And I'm just going to press edit. And as you can see, it already turned into like kind of like a toy rack. I don't know what it's called. But you can see that you still have like these little pieces at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of make a floor. You can like cover it up later, obviously, and like make like add stairs or something. I will add that on later once I'm done decorating. But here is where you can then add like a half wall to the edges here. So add a half wall here and here as well. Whoops. And then another one here. Then we're going to add a low wall at the top to cover just the edges of it. And here is the like stuffed animal rack. I'm just going to decorate this and I'll be right back with the final results. And here is the final results. I didn't do much for the interior because I don't have like a lot of toy store arcade game items, but you can decorate it however you want, of course. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.